So this is first look of the Onsra Black Carve 2. This is belt version. I'm just opening the box right now. I just received it. The boxes are a little crooked at the edges. I mean, the delivery people probably throw it away. Okay, let me open this first. Premium performance, huh? That's the box. That's the board. Yes, I ordered AT all terrain without the street wheels. I don't think I'm gonna ride street wheel anyways. The packaging is okay. It's a rubber wheel, so you're not. Hopefully that's okay with the motor. It's pretty beefy. If you ask me, it's actually pretty good. But has a little bit of a rough spot on the edge for sanding, but whatever. Here's the foam pad. Supposed to observe the vibration, but I'm not sure it will. It's really thin though. That's the wheel. This is, I think it was 6-inch wheel. Gold finish. The spot here. Hota. That's the tire brand. Tire size is, and that's 150 by 50 tire. Here's the belt they're using. Is 355 5M belt by Beatty. Here's the logo. They actually engraved it. So this is painted part. This is just a raw, feels raw, like wood. So if the water gets in, it's gonna start, warping your board. So I'm gonna put some on top of it just in case. So this is the underside. That's a double kingpin truck with the cup and the really hard bushing on it. And that's the carbon fiber, matte finish also, just like the paint. It's nice. It feels nice. The battery size is indicating as 8 times 216 and 17 screws. And here's the back of the ESC. That's the power button. That's the wire for the motor, and that's the charging port. Let's see over there. Yes, that's the charging port. I'm not sure about the size. I'm gonna need it for buying fast charger. Oh, by the way, this is waterproof. I see some glue a little bit over there in the between, I think. Okay, that's the manual, cable, USB-C. Is that for remote, I assume? Extra belt. That's the remote. Okay, the charger is 50 volt at 2.5 amp charger. That's the Allen key. That's nice touch. Finally, it's the T-tool. Onto the Onsra manual. Say, warning, you must wear helmet at all times. That's good. That's a pretty decent color printed manual. Has Black Carve belt drive manual, direct drive manual. So he put everything into one single manual. Wait, the Challenger has belt drive? I didn't see that before. They only have a direct drive right now, so I guess they're making one soon. Charging indicator, red is charging, green is done charging. Charging the remote, so USB cable was for remote, I was right. Pairing with the remote, pairing remote and okay, power button, okay. So we have 3 mode. As if you press the mode button, it will change the mode. What is that one? That's the power mode. Okay, there's an echo, meet, pro, and cruise mode. So that is the button. Turned on, making a weird sound. I'm gonna turn on the remote. Oh, it has a vibration motor. Wow. Okay. Both are like about half battery. It's on mode 3. So I press it. 1, 2, 3. So on my remote, it's speed 3. It has really a lot of torque even at speed 1, but it's muddy here, so I need more torque. So far I haven't even put the throttle all the way up, like maybe half. But yeah, it's really going. It's downhill right now. I'm gonna go uphill, see how it performs. Yeah, this is really good. So initial ride of the Black Carve 2, it feels very stiff despite the use of the wooden board. Combined with the tight bushings and wide stand, it feels very heavy. But when it has a max speed of 48 km an hour, then I can totally understand why. Overall, it is very stable. Performance-wise, I have no complaint. The two 6668 motors are very powerful, and I do believe their 35% hill climbing claim. Anyways, that's it for my first impression. I hope you find it interesting, and I'll be back with full review of Onsra Black Carve 2, so stay tuned for more.